Very good morning. Today's the topic is about studies, education. Education is derived at to endure knowledge, the practical knowledge of life, scientific theory, advancement of technology, and periodical changes in life from the ancient days till now. This is called as the education. Education is given to make human more easy with the practical day of life. But in another way, education has become more and more complicated. Children have been facing it as a burden. Those who score higher are happy. Those who score average are feeling they could get away with the future goals. Those who are less than the mark scored are feeling burden, heavy. Why should I have this education? There are so many who has proved best with the education. There are so many who has proved best without the education. Education is like an external dress to improvise the knowledge we have. Education is not to force anyone. Even the schools which are having a playful type of education also, there is a burden on the fees. There is a system of various level, various medium of coaching in the schooling. Everything shows a partiality. Everything endures, okay, this is my grade and status. Everything shows something apart from humans. Humanity is not taught in school. Humanity is not taught at home because we don't even think about humanity in the family level or don't even use the word of humanity. There are n number of people who have been using the word difficulty in the last 100 years, have used the word humanity. Do they really know there is a word exists, humanity? Education is an everyday improvement in life. It goes on till the life death. Education is a never ending. So it cannot be combined between our education system from 3 years to 18 years. It's a learning for all the human beings to keep on in pace with the society that goes on, the country that goes on, and the world that goes on. Isn't it? So make education a one day improvement in life every day. If you make every day one improvement, your life is going to have 365 improvements. So that's a great strength of life. Thank you.